everyone, today we're going to draw a
snowman.
We're going to grab a pencil.
Yeah.
So we're going to start off with the head. It's going to be like a semicircle. Just like that. And don't worry if your circle's not perfect.
Yeah, we just have to do a semicircle, not a circle.
And keep in mind, we're going to draw a nose here. It's going to come out this way. And after we draw our nose, we can erase this line here. Okay. Now we're going to draw a hat. So we're going to draw the rim of the hat. It's going to be like an oval shape first, but it's going to start from the back of the head and it's going to go like this, just like that. And we're going to erase this part right here. Okay, and this is going to be another part of the rim. Let me turn my paper sideways so I can draw a little better.
And I am like doing my own way.
Yep. Okay, I see you got started on the top of the hat. And it's gonna go like that. Okay, and now we're going to draw a ribbon around the hat. So it's gonna go right here. Good job. Now we're going to draw the body. So we're gonna draw the second part, which is gonna be another semicircle. It's gonna be slightly bigger than the first circle. And then we're going to draw the third part, which is the bottom. Okay, and it's going to be a little bigger than this circle. So let's go ahead and do that. I like your snowman.
Thank you.
Good job. All right, now we're going to draw some buttons. Let's draw 3 buttons here. Okay.
I want to draw 4 buttons.
Sure, no problem.
I want to 2 here and 2 here.
And then I'll draw.
My mind's magic.
Let's see how many buttons can go in here. Now we're going to draw the eyes. Okay, we're going to draw 2 dots.
I knew we were going to do the eyes.
Yeah, so we can draw 1 eye here and 1 eye here.
These are going to be small eyes.
Good job. Now we're going to draw a carrot on the nose, and now this nose is going to be a little long, so we might need to erase this part of the circle, which is fine, and you can keep it short too if you want, but I'm going to make my carrot nose a little longer.
I'm going to make mine long too.
Okay, so this is how I'm going to do it. Okay, go ahead, and while you're doing that, I'm going to go ahead and erase this little part here.
I'm going to erase this one too.
All right, good. And now we're going to draw some curves on the carrot, just like that. Okay.
You can see mine.
And now we're going to do a nice smiley face. Just like that. Okay. And don't forget the arms. We're putting branches as arms, so we need to draw 2 branches coming from the side. So we're going to draw a branch coming out this way. Okay, and I'm going to close it up here, and I'm going to draw 3 fingers like that. Okay, and I'm going to start going on the other side. Good job. And now I'm going to draw 3 fingers on this side. Awesome. Wow, you did really good. So let's draw some snow. It's sitting on the snow. So let's draw a little bit of snow coming this way. So we're just going to draw the line behind the snowman to show that it's standing on snow. Good.
So don't color the snowman's skin or this.
Oh, should we put a scarf?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So he doesn't be cold.
Yeah, maybe we should put a scarf on the snowman.
So he doesn't be sick.
Yeah, so what we're gonna do is we'll erase this part, so don't worry about that. We're just gonna draw a curved line here just to show the scarf, and then we're gonna close it up like this. We're gonna draw the curve around the neck, and then we're gonna close it up here like that. So you can go ahead and do that. And while you do that, I'm going to just erase my lines here. Okay. Good job. And now you can go ahead and erase these lines. And then we're going to do both edges of the scarf coming out this way. So we're going to have one come out like that. Just like that. And then we're going to have another one come this way. And then it's going to go behind this one. Okay?
Can I do mine?
Yeah, sure. Awesome. Now, I would like to add some designs on my scarf. So I'm going to do some stripes. Okay?
Just like my present.
Yeah. So you can start doing your stripes.
I'm gonna do some polka dots.
Alright guys, so now we're going to start outlining our snowman. So I'm going to also start with the head.
Me too.
And again, don't worry if it's not perfect. We're going to color in the eyes, completely black.
I'm careful of mine.
Mm-hmm.
And don't forget the buttons.
And the buttons too, yeah. I'll go ahead now with the hat. And it's so much easier to draw with the marker when we've already drawn with the pencil. Because now we know exactly where to draw.
Yeah, that's right.
I'm going to start the scarf. Okay, and we're going to do the stripes. And we'll figure out what colors to do the scarves. I want to do something that pops out.
I want to do pink.
You want to do pink?
Yeah.
I might do red. You want to do pink for the polka dots?
Nah. I want to leave the polka dots white.
Okay. Now I'm going to start the body. Oh, we forgot to erase this part, so I will go ahead and do that. And then here comes the arm. And the fingers. Now we will do the bottom. I'm just trying to be as careful as I can. It's a little big, but that's fine.
Wait.
I'm just going to erase this part. And now the buttons. I will color them black. I like your polka dots.
Thank you.
You're going to leave the polka dots white?
Yeah.
Okay. And what color your scarf is going to be? It's going to be pink?
Yeah.
Okay. And what about your hat? What do you think your hat should be?
Blue.
Blue? I think I will make my hat black.
Yeah, but I'm gonna do the buttons last.
Okay. Alright, so now we're going to color our hat. I'm going to color my hat black.
And I'm going to color my hat blue.
Okay, yeah, let's do that. So I'm going to use my marker since it's already black. Okay, and you can color the hat any color you want.
Yeah.
It doesn't have to be black.
This is like something Christmassy.
And I'm going to leave a little white spot here for the hat, the shine on the hat. So it's going to be like a line here, just to make it look like it's a shiny hat.
But I don't want to leave a white space.
Okay, you don't have to. And now the ribbon. I think I'm going to color my ribbon gold. No, wait, silver. Maybe I'll do silver. Is this silver? Yeah, maybe. It's like a gray.
I want to do mine yellow. I'll do mine yellow.
Okay. And I'm gonna leave this same white spot right here just to show that the ribbon was also shiny. Okay. There you go. All right, now we're going to...
It kind of looks like gold.
It does. Now we're going to color our carrot nose. Here, you can use this one.
Thank you.
Now I'm going to go a little step further and I'm going to use a darker orange to do like a little bit of shading here. Like that.
I don't want to shade it.
You don't have to. Now we can color our scarf. I'm going to use red.
Or you can use gold or
Yeah,
silver.
I'll use red.
I want to use
Pink?
Yeah.
That snowman looks really warm and toasty with the scarf.
toasty.
Yeah, but that's not possible because he'll melt.
Yeah. That really possible. He's made of snow.
We don't want the snowman to be warm. He needs to be cold.
Yeah.
You know what? I kind of like it with the white. I think we will leave it white and red.
White
We
and
can
red.
now color our branches for the arms brown. I have a dark brown and you actually have a light brown. Do you want to use this one or this one?
The dark.
You want the dark? Okay.
Cute.
I can use the light one.
Okay. Whoa. Look at this.
Nice.
This is so cool. This is my best day ever, actually.
Yeah? Why?
Because I get to color with these.
Yeah, these are really good crayons.
And markers. But mine looks all silly and wonky.
No, yours looks really good.
Yeah, but still looks silly and wonky.
All right, so now we're going to try to do some shades around the snowman to give it like a 3D look so that it seems like it's popping out a little bit. So I am going to use maybe a darker shade blue.
Darker
I might
shade.
use this blue and purple. I was going to use some blue and purple. I think you should use 2 blues. Okay, let's start with the light blue for you, okay? So we're going to use the light blue and just copy what I do, okay? I'm going to try to do it the best I can.
Just copy where you put it.
Yep, so we're going to go around the face, but only on this side right here, okay? We're just going to go really lightly, just like that. Very lightly, you see that? You see how I'm doing the shade? Just like that. And it's giving it like a 3D effect. I'm going to do the same with the body.
Ears that's the shading.
Yeah,
These are the ear shading.
yeah.
Yeah, the ears are shaded.
I'm going to do the same with the body. Same exact thing I just did with the head. And we're going to just stop right here. We're not going to go all the way around. Okay, and then we're going to do the same with this bottom circle. Okay, and we're going to make it a little bigger here because the circle is a little bigger. Okay. Alright. And then we're going to do the same with the snow here. We're going to just give it like a shade around the snow. Okay? Just create some 3D effect with the snow here. Okay? And I might do a little bit on the edges here. Right there. And some on this side. Some on this side. Now I'm going
I do
to...
mine like this.
Yeah. Yep, yours looks good. Now I'm going to use purple too. Okay? I'm gonna mix... You can use this dark blue if you want. Okay?
I actually want to do purple too.
Want to do purple too? Okay. So I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna do the same exact thing, but I'm just gonna add a tiny bit more layer
I got
here.
darker purple than you.
Yeah. I'm just gonna put it right here. Yeah. Just make sure you're not drawing a line straight. You're just going sideways like that. Like that. You see that? We're just gonna go sideways. Okay?
I'm already at the big one.
Yeah.
Would you same with the big one?
Mm-hmm. And then we're going to go to the bottom. We're going to blend it with the dark blue a little bit.
I'm blending it a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh, look what color it made.
Yeah.
Can you guess what color it
It
is?
mixed with the blue, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is what this
And I'm
day
going
of
to
it.
do some here. Just to add some shadow effects here. I wanted to take a dark brown to do some shades
Okay,
on
you
the...
got mine.
Yeah, I wanted to do some shading on the hands a little bit.
I want to do some light shading.
Yeah, you can do that. So I'm going to turn this over just a little bit because I feel more comfortable this way.
I can have the light brown, please.
Yes. Okay. And then I'm going to draw a little bit of shading here behind the buttons.
I want to do silver too. Now, I never used silver.
Draw a little bit here, a little bit here. It's like a shadow. I'm just giving it a shadow a little bit.
Okay, so I was gonna just do shadings on the buttons and the eye. I just finished the eyes. I'll do the last button.
Okay, just gonna use this brush to create the shade. All right, everyone, so what do you think?
Yeah.
I hope you like our snowman and I hope you enjoyed drawing with us.
Yeah.
We'll see you in the next video, guys.
Bye.
Bye.